Let me ask you something. Have you ever stood in a checkout line, pulling out your wallet, and hesitated thinking, should I use my credit card or my debit card? Many people struggle with this decision every day. One wrong move and you could rack up unnecessary debt or miss out on some sweet rewards. But don't worry, by the end of this video you'll have absolute clarity. You'll know exactly when to use a credit card and when to reach for that debit card. And trust me, knowing the difference isn't just about convenience. It can shape your financial future. Before we get into the when, let's cover the what. A debit card is like your wallet's digital twin. You swipe, and the money comes directly out of your bank account. A credit card, on the other hand, is like borrowing money. When you use it, you're spending the bank's money, which you'll need to pay back, preferably on time to avoid interest. Simple enough, right? But here's the catch. Each card serves a completely different purpose. Let's start with the trusty debit card. Here's when it's your best friend. 1. Everyday purchases, groceries, gas, coffee runs. If it's a small daily expense, your debit card is perfect. Why? It keeps your budget in check since you're only spending what you actually have. 2. Avoiding debt. If you're the kind of person who struggles with overspending, stick to debit. It's impossible to spend more than what's in your account, so no nasty surprises later. 3. Cash withdrawals. Need cash? Always use your debit card. Credit cards charge high fees for cash advances, so avoid that trap. And know that ATM fee doesn't count as a good excuse to start digging under couch cushions for loose change. Now let's talk about the powerhouse, your credit card. 1. Building credit. Think of your credit card as a tool for your future. Consistently using it and paying it off in full builds your credit score. And trust me, a good credit score opens doors from lower interest rates to better rental opportunities. 2. Big purchases. Buying something expensive? Use your credit card. Most cards offer purchase protection and extended warranties that debit cards simply can't match. 3. Online shopping. Let's be honest, cybersecurity is a big deal. Credit cards come with better fraud protection, so if your info gets compromised, it's the bank's money at risk, not yours. 4. Travel perks. Flights, hotels, car rentals. Credit cards often come with travel insurance, rewards and cashback. Plus, some cards waive foreign transaction fees, saving you money abroad. But wait, doesn't all this sound too good to be true? Well, it can be if you're not careful. Let me give you a reality check. Credit cards can be your greatest ally, but they can also be your worst enemy if misused. 1. Interest rates. If you don't pay your balance in full, you'll get hit with interest, often 20% or more. That $50 dinner could end up costing $60 or more. 2. Overspending. Credit cards give you a false sense of wealth. Just because you have a $5,000 limit doesn't mean you should spend $5,000. It's like borrowing from your future self, but with a hefty price tag. 3. Hidden fees. Annual fees, late payment fees, foreign transaction fees. They add up. Always read the fine print before choosing a card. And let's not forget, those points are great, but you don't need to spend $500 on stuff you don't need just to earn a $5 gift card. So how do you strike the perfect balance between credit and debit cards? Follow these golden rules. 1. Use debit for budgeting. If you're sticking to a strict monthly budget, debit keeps you disciplined. 2. Use credit for rewards. Big purchases, maximize the perks, but only if you can pay the balance in full each month. 3. Track your spending. Apps like Mint or YNAB make it easy to see where your money is going. 4. Pay on time. Always. Late payments hurt your credit score and can lead to penalties. Set up automatic payments if you're forgetful. And here's the most important rule of all. Never let your cards control you. They're tools. You're the boss. Let's recap. 1. Use debit cards for daily spending, cash withdrawals, and staying within your budget. 2. Use credit cards for building credit, travel perks, and online shopping. 3. Avoid credit card pitfalls by paying in full, tracking spending, and understanding the terms. Master these tips, and you'll not only spend smarter, you'll save smarter too. But here's the thing. Having the right card strategy is only part of the equation. To truly build wealth, you need to create multiple income streams. And the best place to start is passive income. Subscribe my channel to watch my next video, Top 5 Passive Income Ideas for Beginners. It's time to make your money work for you.